Hello, I'm Mark Kelly. I own Inbound Revenue, and today this is another in a series of AdWords tips that I'm presenting based on my now 15 years of experience using AdWords. One thing that I've noticed is that when people are using a landing page, they don't think of a clever way to use site links on the landing page. Site links are designed to, as an ad extension, to extend the coverage of your ad that allow you to link to inner pages, perhaps about us or contact us or services, something like that. However, you can cleverly use those exact same site links to give you more ad coverage when using a landing page. So this is AdWords tip 97. Again, I own Inbound Revenue. Feel free to contact us for professional AdWords and lead generation for both agencies and direct business clients. So what we do is, let's say we wanted to add a site link, and typically a site link is thought of as a link to an inner page on your website so that folks can link through to different pages they might have an interest in. But when you're using a single landing page, such as our lead gen landing page that we often use for our AdWords campaigns and Facebook campaigns, you can still use those. So let's create a new site link here. And our link text is, let's go over here, let's see, need leads. We're going to point that to our lead generation page. So you just create something like this, you point it to the landing page, and you save it. And then you just create another one. However, and the only difference is that you're pointing them all to the exact same page. So basically you get to just point all your site links to your landing page. Don't think that because you're using a landing page that you can't add site links and extend your ads with site links. I think it's a pretty cool way to use them. Again, I own Inbound Revenue. My name is Mark Kelly. If you ever have any questions about AdWords, lead generation, life, shoot me an email. We'll talk. It's been great. I'll be back with another AdWords tip pretty soon.